HBO Max is an American subscription-based video-on-demand service owned by AT&T's WarnerMedia through its WarnerMedia Direct subsidiary. While built around content from the namesake premium television service HBO, Max principally serves as a content hub for WarnerMedia's various film and television properties, offering a range of original programming and library content from the company as well as additional content licensed through third-party distributors. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of signing in through your HBO Max account. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, open the app HBO Max. After that, tap on the option Sign In. Now to sign in, you'll have to enter your email address and password. Enter the email associated with your account and then enter the password. Once you have done that, tap on Sign In, and that's it. You'll be logged into your HBO Max account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Help Tech. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.